lovely Virgos, how are you? I hope you're keeping fine. Welcome to my channel Twinkling Stars Astro. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. If you have yet not subscribed, please click the bell button down below and subscribe my channel to get the updates. This is a channel of the occult sciences in which you'll get your weekly readings, your monthly readings, your bi-weeklies on relationships and on your careers and many more. Alright, so do leave your suggestion in the comment box down below so that I can improvise my videos and get better in my readings. Alright, this is a general reading for the Virgos. Alright, so do not hard press on yourself if it doesn't resonate with you. It's okay, might not be the message for you, maybe the next week. Alright, and rest of the information is given below in the description box, so kindly see it. So let's begin. Alright, so let's see what do we have for you Virgos this week. In the Holy Spirit of all God, Goddesses, my dear angels, spirits, my lords, what are the messages for my Virgos this week? What are the messages for my Virgos this week? What are the messages for my Virgo this week? Wow, beautiful card, Virgo. What is the message for my Virgo this week? All right. Okay. What is the message for my Virgo this week? Okay. What is the challenge for my Virgo? Okay, right. And what is the way of overcome the challenge for this week for my Virgo? Okay. All right. Okay, what is the final outcome? All right, what is the final outcome for my Virgo? What is the final outcome for my Virgo? Okay, Virgo. At the bottom of the deck, Knight of Swords is there, Virgo. Very fast moving energy. So Virgos, you're moving very fast, huh? All ready for the action for this week. All right, actionful week ahead for you, my Virgos. Okay, so let's start with your health. Health will be very much fine, nothing to worry about your health for this week with this Four of Wands. All right, celebrate, enjoy with your loved and near and dear ones. All right, health will be very much fine, so nothing to worry about health. All right, just maintain the balance and have a balanced diet, that would be all. All right, coming to your finances. Okay, finances are tough for you Virgos this week with the Strength card. You know, you are getting addicted with something, all right, or you may be getting, you may be trying to manage your finances this week, but you're getting it difficult. You know, something is taming you, all right, in which your finances are really, going like that, but you're not able to control your expenditures. So you need to have that strength to control your expenditures. Please slow down with your expenditures, otherwise your finances will get unstable for you for this week. All right, so caution for you in terms of finances. All right, if I talk about your workplace is going very well with this Temperance card. All right, just maintain the balance, maintain your hard work, maintain a good relationship with your seniors and with your colleagues, and things would be fine at your workplace. Success will bestow you, so do not worry at the workplace. Coming to your relationships now, relationships need your attention because you're missing the balance in your relationship with the Six of Pentacles, Virgo. You're missing the balance in your relationships. You're looking at the one side of the coin but not at the other side of the coin. There might be something which is, which needs your attention, but hence not getting it up. All right, so just watch out what is there in your relationships. It might be your partner seeking your attention, but because of your, heavy work schedule or maybe your commitments, you're not able to do that. So kindly look at your partner. He or she needs your attention as of now, because the relationship is missing the balance. The relationship is, getting disbalanced as of now. So you need to, another caution in the terms of your relationships for this week. All right. Coming towards the challenge for you Virgos this week, Ace of Swords is the challenge. All right, your actions, watch your actions this week. A new opportunity is indeed coming, but that opportunity is not 100% beneficial for you. Another caution, this week you might get an opportunity coming across to you, but that opportunity might not be beneficial for you completely. Think and then grab the opportunity. That is the challenge for you. All right, think, plan, introspect the entire situation, introspect the opportunity which is coming across to you, and then decide, right? Because Ace of Swords, it's all about thinking wisely. Though a new opportunity, but all about thinking wisely and thinking maturely and thinking logically especially. All right, and what's crossing the situation? If you don't do that, if you take the decision in haste, if you do not introspect the entire situation, the entire opportunity, you will move towards death, the end. You will lose the opportunity, all right, with this death card. Though it is the indication of a new beginning also, but you'll get the new beginning. This can go two-way around. Right now, the first situation, if you choose it wisely, if you choose it maturely, and if you see that it is really beneficial to you, then it's a new beginning for you with the death card, all right. But then if you take the decision in haste, just because an opportunity has hit you, you have not planned, you haven't seen all the pros and cons of the situation, so this might lead to a death as well. So it's a two-way situation this week, Sagittarians, so take care, all right. This week might get difficult for you in terms of taking a decision, all right. Now the final outcome, if I say, you have the 8 of Pentacles and the 10 of Wands, all right. Now remove the baggage. Remove the baggage of the past or the burden of others which you have taken on you, all right. Or maybe you think that don't take any decision for others. All right, don't take because others wants you to take that. Take your own decision, work hard on your own decision, on your own maturity, on your own logics, and if it benefits you, then choose it. Otherwise, there's no point of choosing into the pressure of, being your family member saying, or maybe your friend saying, or maybe, somebody else saying, because eventually you have to face the consequences at the end of the day, nobody else. All right, so that was the final outcome for you. So let's see now what do oracles have for you this week, Sagittarians. All right, what is the message for my Sagittarians this week? What is the message for my Sagittarians this week? What is the message for my Sagittarians this week? All right, okay, wow, beautiful card, Sagittarians. The answer you need are coming. All right, this is full moon in Gemini. Yesterday was the full moon. We have just passed by. All right, see, and at the bottom of the deck we have a new start is coming. So opportunity is definitely coming to you. You need to choose it. You need to choose wisely. And because I said, whatever you're looking for, the decision, the answer is within your reach. The answers are coming to you. Only you need to just open your 360-degree horizon and see, and you'll get the answers. All right, so let me see what is the final message for you for this week. All right, the final message for my Sagittarians this week. The final message for my Sagittarians this week. Final message for my Sag this week. All right. So, oh wow. So the final message from the universe for you, my beautiful Sagittarians, is the Varaha, the boar of Tar, all right, and the blessings given by him for you this week is the banishment of the fear. Get rid of the fear. That's what I said, remove the baggage. You need to kill that, all right, to have a new beginning in your life, all right. Protecting the world's ecology, intelligence use of the world resources, freedom from the fear of dirt and darkness. Again and again the message is coming to you. Get yourself free from the dirt and the darkness, all right, because then only you will be able to see the broader picture, a clear picture. All right, okay, the prayer for you Sagittarians for this week. Hail to you, O Lord of the universe. You have taken the form of a boar. The earth rests in peace on the tip of your tusk, like a stain on the disk of the moon. The Varaha avatar. All right, Sagittarians, I hope this resonated with you. Do leave a comment into the comment section box if it resonated with you. All right, I hope you like this. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.